the hallway at a school. And this is a one-off event versus possibly it's the culmination of bullying. Is there a difference in how the school is going to respond to that or be responsible for that incident happening?
Yeah, definitely yes. If something just erupts in a cafeteria, two young boys start fighting and throwing punches, and this was completely, out of the blue. That student, one of the students gets seriously hurt, right? Maybe has his nose broken or another facial bone broken. That happens a lot. Does that automatically mean that the school is going to be found negligent? Not necessarily. No. Schools are not obligated to be continuous monitors and to provide continuous supervision to students. Think about it. As a parent, are you obligated to literally watch your child 24/7 at all times and at all turns to make sure that they're perfectly free from harm? Of course not. Schools are not held to that unreasonable standard either. So if something just happens out of the blue, completely randomly, and someone gets hurt, by no means does that mean the school is going to be found or held negligent in that circumstance. Contrast that with an ongoing situation where a bully who's known to the school for maybe bullying multiple children and having a series of problematic interactions with a particular victim over time, and then that fight happens, or then that bully goes over the top and really hurts the poor victim there. Well, that's an entirely different set of circumstances, and courts are going to want to know about the history between those kids. The lawyers obviously are going to be tasked with coming up with all the evidence and providing the proof to the court to make sure they can show that the school had absolute reason to know about something before that big blow up, if you will, in time to do something about it. Two entirely different sets of circumstances.